Halloween, everyone. Today, we're going to make a pineapple jack-o'-lantern, so stay tuned. This is a pineapple core, so we easily take out the core of the pineapple, hollow it out. We'll line that up with the core. Just screw all that in. Wait, look at that. We've cored out our pineapple. How easy is that, guys? I had a cup around here for that pineapple juice somewhere. So let's just take this little pandy bear. And you'll see our top can just nicely rest back on. Pretty cool, huh? Now wait till we make our tiki face. So one of the great things about making a tiki jack-o'-lantern instead of a regular pumpkin, pineapple fish. Dry ice, guys. How fun is that? I'm not an expert here. Some of it's not doing so well. Kind of dying out. Sorry. Thought this was going to be cooler, guys. I thought it was going to be cooler, but it's kind of cool. But, you know, pineapple's my favorite fruit. And I love tiki. So why wouldn't I do this? And just eat the pineapple as you go? Come on, why don't I do this every year? We just want to put a knife down there and get this core out. Hollow pineapple. Now we can get on to carving our face. Before I do that, I'm just going to go put some of this pineapple in the fridge for later. Be right back. So, printed out this little sheet of some tiki faces. I'm going to try to emulate one of those for our jack-o'-lantern. Dry out this a little bit. One mouth first. We got our Tiki mouth. That's pretty funny. What do you think? I like that. That's pretty cool. It's kind of Tiki mouthish. So what I'm gonna do, so these Tiki faces have like a little bit of a halo, kind of that white area. I'm gonna see if I can just skin off some of the green of the pineapple to get that effect around the mouth. Let's reveal some of that yellow. Yeah, that's kind of it. Look at that. That up, guys. Toothpick that in later. I don't know, not the prettiest. What do you guys think? Something like that. Toothpick help, guys. Do I have any toothpicks in my bar anymore? Well, later I'm going to find a toothpick and just kind of fix this little gap. But for now, I don't know, guys. Find which way the head went on. Looks like that. Yeah. Tiki Jack. Some of these little plastic. Let's get back on. By the way, I'm really into music, as you've probably seen in my vinyl collections, and I created a Spotify account. So now if you're curious, you can follow me on Spotify at Can Crane Do It and see what I'm listening to. I created a really awesome Halloween playlist that you can play and get into the mood. Happy Halloween, everybody.